If you have a short visit to Sri Lanka, Colombo, here is an easy and exciting way to explore it all in one day and avoid a tourist trap. As soon as your cruise docks at the cruise terminal, there is a complimentary shuttle bus that takes you to the city gates, where locals are already waiting for you. We hired a tuk-tuk driver for 5 hours with an hourly rate of $10 plus tips. While I'm taking you on a quick tour around Colombo, let me share some more details. The road and traffic in Colombo look quite normal, and taking a tuk-tuk is a great idea, as well as it's a very popular transportation for locals and attraction for tourists. We stopped at many historic sites and landmarks. It was easy to park close to the sites, get in and out, take a walk around, take some pictures. Our tuk-tuk driver was local and very knowledgeable about his city. He was our tour guide as well. Also, what I like about it was that if you haven't done your homework, no worries. The driver has a flyer with all the significant sightseeing sites in Colombo, places to visit and things to buy. So you can choose and decide what you want to see and do. One of the highlights was Hindu temple, especially because the tourists were allowed to be there during their service. It was vibrant and exhilarating. The musicians were amazing. Such a great experience. If you are thinking of souvenirs or something authentic, Sri Lanka is famous for batik and silk clothing, wood and leather crafts, gemstones and jewelry. And your tuk-tuk driver will gladly drive you there. Also, what I liked about Colombo was that everything you want to see is kind of close by, so you are constantly in and out of tuk-tuk, and there are no long rides. If you feel hungry or thirsty, there are local vendors offering their goods. Overall, we found Colombo beautiful, clean and safe to explore by tuk-tuk. We were not bothered and everybody was respectful. In a relatively short period of time, we saw and enjoyed Sri Lanka's architecture, historic monuments, sites, cathedrals, temples, parks, promenades, ocean and a lake. Gangaramaya temple was amazing and there was so much to see, as well as enjoy the Tree of Awakening, under which the Buddha has achieved his enlightenment. Sri Lanka is home to one of the best teas in the world, Ceylon tea. Tea shopping and tea tasting are very popular tourist attractions in Sri Lanka. You can learn about different types of tea and buy the best and freshest tea possible. It's a perfect souvenir from Sri Lanka and an ultimate tea experience. After 4 hours, we were satisfied with the sightseeing and asked our driver to drive us back on a cruise. During the payment, he surprised us that his $10 hourly rate was per person and insisted that we double the payment. This trap was disappointing. Anyway, we refused his pressure and paid what we originally agreed on, $50 for 5 hours plus $20 tip. We learned that some other cruise passengers experienced the same scam. So be aware and write down or audio record the price before starting your tour. I hope you enjoyed my video and found it useful. Please like and subscribe so we can stay in touch. and travel and explore together in my next video.